Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bamboo HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in app.bamboohr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Bamboo HR. Click on the login button at the top right corner and now you will be taken into the login portal. Just type in your company domain name and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your company password along with your username and then click on the login button. You will then be logged into your Bamboo HR with your company domain right away. If you cannot find your domain, you can click on the What's My Domain option and you will be guided onto finding your company domain. You will also find the option to reset your password within the username and password screen, which you can click on in case you have forgotten your password. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your account on Bamboo HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.